Today, let me introduce to you the most value for money 20-inch bike in our Chem series. This is the SPEEDO X. With its two-tone color scheme as well as a variety of colors, this bike can appease to anyone. The SPEEDO X is a classic bicycle equipped with a 9-speed SHIMANO drivetrain. Not only that, it has a sturdy frame, front and rear disc brakes for dynamic and smoother braking. Some other features include collapsible pedals, adjustable seat posts as well as handlebar posts. This 12.3 kg bike is great for any rider that is looking for a new bike that is a bang for their buck. With its smooth riding and responsive gear changing, this bike is simply amazing. So what are you waiting for? Come down to any of our outlets to test ride and get one for yourself.